This stunning energy drink ad was made in seconds, using nothing but a simple text prompt.
Most energy drinks wake you up. VoltRush ignites something stronger. Explosive energy, razor-sharp focus, unstoppable, relentless performance built for every moment when pressure hits hardest. VoltRush Energy, Crimson Gold Edition. Ignite beyond limits.
No expensive cameras, no actors, and zero editing skills required. But this is not just a random AI character talking on screen. You can use your own avatar, your own product, and your own ad idea, and this tool can turn it into a fully synced UGC-style video ad. Creatify is an AI ad creation platform that helps you generate high-converting video ads from product URLs, images, or even a simple text reference. Whether you are promoting an e-commerce product, a service, a brand, or a marketing campaign, you can create multiple ad formats, multiple variations, and different styles in just a few clicks. And it does not stop at video generation. Creatify can also help with market research, creative angles, and ad ideas that are designed to convert better. Inside the platform, you get access to more than 1,500 AI avatars, 40+ AI models, and support for multiple languages. In this video, I will show you how to create a 30-second energy drink ad from a basic text prompt. Then, we will take it one step further and use our own avatar to generate a realistic UGC ad. And with the addition of Seedance 2, the video quality looks more consistent, more cinematic, and much more visually appealing. Simply click on this button to start using the tool. After signing up with Gmail, you will be directed to a simple and clean chat-based interface. The free plan gives you 10 credits to test the tool for basic generation. The Pro plan starts at $49 per month with a bunch of credits, and you can also see how many credits are used for images and videos. Under the Tools section, we have a couple of ways to start using this platform. AdFlow is a node-based editor where you can control every step of your ad creation process. We will discuss it in detail. By scrolling down a little, you can also see inspiration ads from different categories. Let's build an ad from scratch by heading over to Agent Mode. Here, we have two modes, Chat-based mode and Workflow mode. By clicking on this Add Product option, a new pop-up window will open. Here, you can paste your Amazon or Shopify product link, or you can go with the Manually Create option to set up your product yourself. We will discuss this in a couple of minutes. Under Chat mode, I have pasted this text prompt to generate a 30-second energy drink commercial with the brand name VoltRush. The prompt includes a sleek black metallic can, rotating slowly, electric blue lightning effects, water droplets, condensation, dramatic cinematic lighting, high-speed camera shots, powerful energy visualization, and a luxury commercial style similar to a Super Bowl advertisement. Simply click on this button, and you will be directed to the chat-based window. As you can see, the agent has started working on the next steps. Here, we have a complete plan for a 30-second commercial. The background music is also generated. Next, we have the visuals for 6 scenes. These look good and match the blue lightning theme perfectly. You can also check the full description of each scene, along with the voiceover and video prompt details. Once everything looks good, simply click on the Confirm button to proceed to the next step. And here we have the final output.
In a world that demands everything, only one fuel rises to the challenge. VoltRush ignites the athlete, pushing past every limit, every boundary, sharpening the gamer's edge, where millisecconds separate legends from everyone else, powering the visionary. When the world sleeps, you build empires. Pure electric energy, precision engineered for those who refuse to stop. VoltRush Energy, engineered for champions. Unleash your voltage.
Overall, the ad looks good, with a consistent theme throughout the video. However, the captions look a little odd, so I will ask the tool to remove the captions and change the aspect ratio to landscape. And now we have the same ad in landscape orientation without any captions. This version looks much better than the previous one. Now, to test the real capability of this tool, I will use my own avatar and product image for the same energy drink ad. Simply click on the AdFlow tool, and you will be directed here. Click on the Product button, and then select the Manual Product option. Here, I will fill out the product details, including the product name, category, short description, and unique selling points. Under the Assets menu, I will upload my product image and avatar image. You can upload assets from your previous clips or directly from your computer. Here, I have uploaded both images from my computer. Now simply click on the Create button, and your product will be selected. Next, I will paste the same concept, but this time with scene-by-scene details and avatar dialogue. Another good thing about this tool is that you can reuse any of the pre-made templates by clicking this button. But for this tutorial, I will continue with these settings and move to the next step. As you can see, the agent has started working based on the instructions we provided. The whole concept is divided into second-by-second scenes. You can read all the details carefully to make sure everything looks fine before proceeding. As you can see, some of the shots contain random people, so I will ask the tool in the chat to stick only to my avatar. And now you can see that each scene contains our avatar. Once everything is locked, simply click on the Confirm button, and the agent will start building a node-based workflow on the left side. One thing you may notice is that the agent has generated the avatar based on the prompt, not the image we uploaded. Don't worry, we will fix that in a couple of minutes. You can see that the visual generation process is running smoothly. By selecting any image, you can also check its settings and make adjustments. Now our video ad is ready.
Most energy drinks give you a temporary boost. VoltRush gives you something different. Clean energy, laser focus, maximum performance when it matters most. Whether you're training, creating, competing, or building your future, VoltRush keeps you locked in. VoltRush Energy, fuel beyond limits.
Overall, the ad looks good, and the character remains consistent throughout the video. To replace the character with our uploaded avatar, simply click on this image, and it will be added to the chat. Now ask the tool to replace the image with our uploaded avatar. After confirming, you can see that all the visuals are being replaced with our avatar. Once the images are generated, simply click on the Render Video button to generate the final video.
Most energy drinks give you a temporary boost. VoltRush gives you something different.
Clean energy, laser focus, maximum performance when it matters most.
Whether you're training, creating, competing, or building your future, VoltRush keeps you locked in.
VoltRush Energy, fuel beyond limits.
To make this ad feel even more realistic, I also generated this version without captions, and the call to action is added at the end.
Most energy drinks give you a temporary boost. VoltRush gives you something different.
Clean energy, laser focus, maximum performance when it matters most.
Whether you're training, creating, competing, or building your future, VoltRush keeps you locked in.
VoltRush Energy, fuel beyond limits.
This version looks much cleaner, more natural, and more like a real UGC product ad. So, by following these steps, you can generate stunning video ads for your products and grow your business using AI. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.